Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 S550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 twin turbo pushing out 429 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one comes with the sports package, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior, panorama sunroof, rear seat entertainment. Coming around back, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging, a power liftgate, clean set of floor mats. Coming up front, a nice burl walnut wood trim, burl walnut wood steering wheel and leather, heated and cooled seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our buttons for our infotainment center. This S550 has 78,419 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550, check out feldmanimports.com.